Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a folder so you could save all of your math stuff that you need to download from Schoology into it. So if you look at your home screen, there will be a blue folder either at the bottom of your screen or somewhere up here in with your other apps. So you're going to go ahead and click that blue folder. Then it's going to open up into your OneDrive. And there's going to be another blue folder that is called Files. You're going to click that to open it. And in my files, I already have a couple folders, but yours might be blank. So in order to add a new file folder, you're going to click this blue outline folder with the blue plus sign. Once you click that, this little window should pop open. So it's going to tell you to name your new folder. You're going to name your folder, if you're in 7th grade math, 7th grade math. If you're going to name your folder in 8th grade, we're going to name it 8th grade math. So go ahead and type in your title. After you have it typed in, it'll pop up on the screen, and here's the one I created, 7th, 8th math. And then you should be able to open that folder, and yours should be blank because we have not saved anything to it. And once we start saving stuff, they will pop up in this folder. So this is where you need to be saving all of your math documents.